So good morning class 10th. I'm here with you again to revise a chapter that is electrostatics. We'll revise the chapter today and even we'll be doing some questions also. So you can see important points to be remembered that electric charges are fine to be made up of integral multiples, smallest amount of charge. It is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, as I told you. That is Q is the SI unit for charge and N is the number of charges. Yes, and we know about quantization or atomicity. What is quantization? This Q is called as quantization. Then electric amount. What is electric current? It is the amount of charge flowing. The formula is I equals to Q by T. SI unit of current is ampere. And what is 1 ampere? It is a current if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second. So that is 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. What is the electric potential? Electric potential is the work done in bringing a charge from infinity, say it is infinity, and to the point. Yes, so one will be at higher potential, one will be at lower potential, and the charges will move from higher to lower potential. And then electric potential is also a scalar quantity and its SI unit is volt. Then we have studied about the Ohm's law, the relationship between potential difference and current, so which is proportional to each other. Yes, V proportional to I, and to remove this proportionality sign, V is equals to IR. R is the constant known as a resistance. Then resistance is also the property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge. The resistance of a conductor depends upon length, thickness, area, material dependence. We have seen that R is equals to rho L upon A. Yes, then conductors, there are two types of conductors, ohmic and non-ohmic. Those who follow Ohm's law are ohmic, who don't follow Ohm's law are non-ohmic. Not obey Ohm's law are non-ohmic. Examples, metallic conductors are generally ohmic and the non-metallic conductors or diode or bulbs are non-ohmic. Then we have said about resistivity. Yes, resistivity or specific resistance of a material is equal to the resistance of the wire of that material, which is equal to 1 meter per length and 1 meter square area of cross section, which is equals to rho RA upon R. If we take out the value of rho from here, it will be rho RA upon R, and the SI unit for resistivity is ohm meter. How it came? Let us see. For rho it is ohm, for area is meter square, and for length it is meter. So this meter and 1 meter got cancelled, it will come ohm meter. It is the SI unit. Then we have studied the resistivity is a specific resistance of material which value does not depend on shape and size. Then we have studied combinations, series and parallel. Equivalent resistance for series is this, and the current will be the same through each resistor, and potential across each resistor will be proportional to R. Yes, but in equivalent resistance the formula will change. We have derived these formulas. Yes, I can show you by diagram. So this is for series and this is for parallel. Yes, we can name it R1, R2, R3. Here we can name it R1, R2, R3. So current passes through same resistor is I proportional to 1 by R. Potential across the resistor is same. So you can see V. It will be V only, but the current will be different. Okay. Next, electrical energy, that is work done. Yes, VIT, I square RT or V square by R. Then the rate at which electrical energy is dissipated, we call it as power. We named it as power and its unit is watt. Yes, and we have derived it in kilowatt hour also. 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 kilowatt. I taught you in class 9th also regarding this. 1 kilowatt hour can be written as 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt. 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. You will compile it. You will get 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. SI unit of energy is joule. The electrical appliances such as electric bulb, heater, and they all are under the heating effect of electric current. So these are the summary of the chapter. Let us see some questions. So here is again the sample question time. I told you in the starting also we have divided the copy in two parts. In the remaining part, that is last part, we will be doing the important questions from this sample paper. So first question you have to do is this: which of the following represent voltage? Which of the following represent voltage? This is the question. These are the questions which came last year or last to last year in the exams, and these are important questions which you have to do in the notes copy. Then next question you have to do is this one and this one. They both are related to electrostatics, electricity chapter. Then we will be just coming to next question. State Ohm's law, how it can be verified experimentally, does it hold good under all conditions? Yes, I think this question, this one, Ohm's law, we have done earlier also. Then next question is this: show how would you join three resistors 9 ohm, each of 9 ohm, so the equivalent resistors of combination will be this and this question. Then the next question. So that's over for today. Hope you all are enjoying the video. Do well at your home and try to do all the questions which we are giving.